Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to create new projects in our Clodify system. So I will log in as an admin. Go to management projects page and click on create project. Here we need to add the project name. Let it be Clodify test project. Tick if this is internal project. Then to add Jira code, let it be Clodify test project. We need to add date start and date end. I will add only the date start. It will be the 1st of September, and I don't know the date end, so I will not add it. Then the status. The status can be new, on hold, in progress, done, and cancelled. It will be new project. Then we can choose if this is hourly or fixed price. And add customers. I will add like 2 customers. Then we need to add developers. I will add this account admin, one of the developers, and maybe sales. Also here we can choose who is the invoice receiver. So I added 2 customers here, so I need to choose the invoice receiver. Let it be Jessica Parker. Then sales. Sales can be sales user role or admin, so I will choose sales. And PM. I have no options because I did not add any of the PMs to the developers section. I cannot, I will click save now. I cannot save the project without selecting the option here. So anyway, I need to add the PM, so I will add first the PM, then choose this PM as actually the PM of this project, and then I can save the project. The project has been added, and we can check it on management projects page in projects spreadsheet. So here, this project, this is new, date end was not set because we don't know the date end, and here we can check developers and clients. So that's how we can add or create a new project in our Clodify system.